So I had promised our son that if he does well in school, in his reception class currently, I'm going to be taking him to Disneyland, and also he had suggested that he wanted to go to National History Museum. For his reward, we will be heading off to National History Museum today, and there is a exhibition for the dinosaur section, so we'll be heading off there. I haven't seen that exhibition yet. It's the first time visiting that exhibition, so we're going to head off today, well, now, and he'll be meeting up with his friends from nursery as well, and his current friends, so we'll be like parents day out, and then I'll vlog as much as I can and take some pictures. Also being said, we will be heading off to Disneyland soon, so I cannot wait. We are very excited. I'm very excited for myself, but we're very excited. So yes, I'm gonna vlog it and I'm gonna share with you guys, and you know, you guys get to see the exhibition. I just hope that it's not too dark, because when it's really dark you can't really see as much on the video. So I'm gonna vlog that and also share with you guys. So come with me and let's go and explore again National History Museum. Okay, bye. Look, it's coming. Oops, sorry. Yes? Wait, they just pushed in. They just went inside. Later.